Okay, what's up, Lance? We're getting ready to go over your homework. The first problem here is 6y is equal to 2x plus 12. So we'll solve that one in here. I know they're asking you to solve for the slope. So let's get to it. So here the first thing you want to do is let's try to get it into, the goal is to get it into this y equals mx plus b. And let me redo that. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, and so you know that b part, that is the slope. So we're almost there. All we need to do is get rid of that 6. So what we're going to do is let's divide everything by 6. And so here I see two terms, so I'm going to divide each term by 6. Now let's simplify. The 6's, they divide out, so that leaves you with y equals 1/3 x plus 2. And of course, you know this fraction 2 over 6, that simplifies to 1/3. So now I have this equation in my y equals mx plus b form. So if that is the case, this m is 1/3. So the slope is equal to 1/3. Alright, let's go to this next problem. The next problem you had was 3x plus 7y equals 21. So here you still want to get it into that y equals mx plus b. Alright, so here we need to get the 3x on the other side or remove it away from here. So let's subtract 3x from each side. And here I'll just go minus 3x. Okay, and so when I do that, and I simplify, the x's over here, they add out. This is 0 pair, so that leaves me with 7y equals, in here, 21 minus 3x. Or I could rewrite it as negative 3x plus 21. The next thing I want to do is, since that's times 7, I'm going to divide by 7. So each side gets divided by 7. Remember, you have two terms here, so I have to divide both terms by 7. Alright, so the 7's divide out, and I get y is equal to negative 3 over 7x plus 3. Okay, so here the slope, m, is negative 3 over 7. Alright, next, here you have 5x plus 10y equals 25. So we want to still get this in the form of y equals mx plus b. Alright, so this time we need to get rid of that 5x. So we subtract 5x from both sides. And here, I see the x's, they'll eliminate on this side, so that leaves us with 10y equals, and I'll just write the x in front, negative 5x plus 25. Now, almost there, we just need to get rid of that 10. So let's divide both sides by 10. Remember, this is two terms, so we've got to divide each one by 10. Okay, now the 10's, they divide out, and that gives you negative 5 over 10 reduces to negative 1/2, or you might call it negative 0.5 or negative 5/10. Plus, in here, 25 over 10 is like 2.5. Okay, so now my m, or the coefficient of x, is negative 1/2. So m equals, or the slope equals, negative 1/2. And that does it, I believe. So good luck. All right.